From highways and bridges to utilities and skyscrapers, they carry out planning and design activities, collect data, and help ensure projects are built correctly and stay on schedule. Civil engineering technicians typically work under the charge of licensed civil engineers. They sometimes estimate construction costs and develop specifications for construction. They also prepare drawings, survey land, and may set up instruments for traffic studies. Technicians may work at several sites, using vehicles as their mobile office. They may also work in laboratories to test construction materials, keeping careful records of their findings. Civil engineering technicians frequently work in teams with civil engineers.
Or electrical engineering technicians draw diagrams and write specifications to clarify engineers' designs. They put electrical control equipment prototypes and systems together, identify design problems, and then come up with ways to solve them. They also test parts to ensure their quality and write up reports on their findings. Electronics engineering technicians use machine tools to make parts, such as coils and terminal boards. They resolve equipment malfunctions and maintain electronic systems, including testing components and replacing defective circuits. They also design basic circuitry and build prototypes from simple plans. Electrical and electronics engineering technicians work in offices, laboratories, and factories. And
The world was engineered and is still engineered by engineers. Would you have wanted a world without engineers? Engineers have made great impact in our today's life. Engineers have been the one who have made life more easier for us. And every year, a day is set aside to celebrate engineers. So this year's World Engineering Day, join us at the Whole Technical University at the GM Afeti Auditorium, where we'll have a renowned politician and an engineer, a civil engineer, who will be joining us to celebrate this year's Engineering Day. So I have with me here the head or the president of the Faculty of Engineering, who will be telling us more of what we are to expect on that.
So thank you, Alexandrian TV, for having me here today. I'm so excited. Yes, my name is Madeleine Ediako Madelisa, Faculty of Engineering, and then TUSAC, that's Technical University Engineering Student Association of Ghana HC President. And I'm very, very excited to be here today to tell you more about the World Engineering Day happening live in GM Afeti Auditorium on the 4th March 2024, 9 a.m. sharp. Thank you.
So, Engineering Day. On that day, so my first question will be: is it that 4th March? This year is on 4th March. Is it always on 4th March, or it just switches at times?
Okay, thank you so much. To what I know about World Engineering Day, it has been there for so many years that all engineers globally do celebrate this day on 4th March. The reason why it is 4th March is because we are marching 4th. As you said earlier, the world was and is engineered by engineers, to which it means that the world was created by God, who is a great master of engineering. And then we, the engineers now, on earth now, we are still engineering. You know, the bridges, the building, the structures, the roads that we see, the sanitation, everything is about engineering. To talk about the electricals, the mechanical, automobile, agricultural, you know, the food we eat, they are all produced by engineers. So we've just given this day out that on this very day, all engineers globally, we have to celebrate these great people to let them see that the work that they are doing, we really appreciate it. So this day has been there since. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. So, this year, World Engineering Day, the Faculty of Engineering here at the Whole Technical University will be celebrating your day. I mean, yeah, I should put it that way. Whom are we to expect on this day?
Okay, so together with my executives, on this day, World Engineering Day, we invited Engineer Honorable Francis Adainimo, who was a former MP for Mampon, Asante Mampon, in the Asante region, and then the YEGHIE president, that is the Youth in Engineering in Ghana Institute of Engineering, their president will be joining us here. And then we will have our Dean of Students for Whole Technical University present. And then we will have also the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering present. All HODs for the faculty will be present. And then the students populace, together with my executives, we are all going to be present on that day.
Okay, then I believe it's going to be a very, very great day. So, what are we to expect on that day? What are you taking us through? What will you be teaching us, and what are we to take home?
Okay, like World Engineering Day, Monday will be, it will be the most exciting day because I think it has been the news on campus. People are talking about, wherever you go, you hear about World Engineering Day, World Engineering Day. Yes, so this day, you people should expect more, because we are bringing people from outside who are going to teach us. Like we have seminars, talks from them. When it comes to engineering, it's good to hear from people outside because those that we've been seeing in here, whenever that they talk, you feel like we've been hearing from them always. But now that we are bringing some people outside, it will be the nicest ever. Okay, so it won't be about the talk and then everything about engineering. To tell you, we'll be launching our cloth. That's the TISA cloth. So the TISA cloth will be a cloth for all the faculty of engineering. We'll be wearing it on campus like the SLC cloth and the jeans cloth. So we are having the TISA cloth too.
Wow, that's nice. So, what special thing have you made as engineers or prepared down to show us on this very day?
Okay, so on this very day, these great people coming together with our deans, HODs, course reps, executives from different departments under the faculty. We are also respecting all the students populace in HT. So it won't be only about talks. It will be unity, it will be togetherness. Like it will be so exciting. When you talk about celebrations, it's full of excitement. So
Sure,
that will
sure.
be what this day will be. It won't be about the talks and then the fun. So imagine that the very first time we are having our TISA club being launched on this day, and then we are all wearing it with
Such a great
pictures. You see, yes. So it won't just be about the fun but it will be like something that it will be there for years. So it will be a great day.
Okay, so there's this perception out there that without engineers, um, work doing most of our works will be very, very difficult.
Yes.
And what way? Because probably I can tell from the look of things that in those days, the olden days, there hasn't been this kind of mechanics and all stuff, machines to work
Yes,
with.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
our great grandfathers were able to work
Yes.
hard and then.
Yes.
But then now that, as I can say from my own perspective, that it is only making work more easier.
Yes.
Not that without it, because without it, work will still go on, right?
Exactly, true. Yes, it's true. Thank you. So, and then I'm to add, the world is growing, and then we are in a technological world. Like everything is changing. Those days, yes, true. Our great grandfathers were doing a lot of things that we were seeing. It was making life so comfortable. But today, as I said, the engineers have made life so easy and then so much exciting. In what ways? Is it the buildings that we are seeing, the bridges, the roads, the cars, the motors, the bicycle, and then everything that has made life easier is being built by engineers. In the sense that those days, though the roads, the things that they made was making life so easier. But now it's making it much easier and easier and easier. The innovations, the inventions, and then a lot of things that they are creating. It makes the world look so nice. To talk about it more, should I say the pitches we are seeing, the bridges, see a lot of things that engineers are doing is making life easier. Those days there was no lights, but now because of our electricals, we have lights, so the world is becoming more easier. And then engineers, we are doing well.
So should you only talk about engineers, the impact of engineers? There are other things also. Talking of different things. Engineers would accept the fact that they've contributed so much in our today's world,
Yes.
and there's no two ways about that.
Yes.
So I think engineers, you guys are making great impact, but we would want to see more of it, improving upon everything that you do. So congratulate you and then wishing you all the best as you celebrate your World Engineering Day. So before I let go of you, what are your last words to the people?
Okay, so my last words, I will first appreciate all my executives. They have been a very strong pillar. This thing started from them. Anytime that you bring it, you get support with everything with them. not to forget my head, the departmental executives from different departments in our faculty, mechanical, electrical, civil, and then agriculture. They are doing their very best. The course reps and then the students. So we really appreciate all the efforts. I will not forget my dean of faculty. That one has been really trying, Professor Maxwell Akle, and then the dean of students, is it Dr. Elizabeth GBD. She has really been trying and then helping us, yes. And then all the HODs, so we really appreciate the efforts. Then the young engineers come up to our encourage them that they should learn their very best so that the people that have mentioned their names, we can be like them one day. They are great engineers. And then we really thank Engineer Adreno for coming, and then the GHIE president too for joining us. We really appreciate all efforts. We will see, and may God bless them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you too. Thank you for having you. So we are anticipating for a great day.
Yes.
Okay, don't miss it. So see you there.